What would possess Zhao Lusi to prepare and distribute gifts to fans waiting to welcome her and Liu Yuning upon their return from Paris after filming the international variety show Wow Duel 2? And what does her decision to prioritize the fan appreciation immediately upon arrival suggest about her genuine connection to supporters despite the exhaustion from international travel? The entertainment world was absolutely melted yesterday when Liu Yuning and Zhao Lusi returned to Shanghai following their completion of filming for the highly anticipated second season of the international variety show Wow Duel, which Zhao Lusi apparently deciding to surprise the hundreds of fans who had gathered at the airport to welcome them home by distributing thoughtfully prepared gifts to supporters who had waited to see them arrive after their extended stay in Paris. The footage that has now been viewed over 6 billion times shows Zhao Lusi moving through the airport arrival area with multiple bags of gifts, apparently stopping to personally give items to individual fans and to express gratitude for their support and for their decision to come welcome her and Liu Yuning back to China despite their busy schedules and despite the late arrival time that would normally discourage such gatherings. The fact that she had apparently prepared these gifts in advance and brought them through international travel despite luggage constraints and despite the exhaustion that would come from extended filming schedule in Paris demonstrates remarkable dedication to fan appreciation and recognition of their importance in her life and career, prioritizing this new gesture over rest or personal comfort after the demanding professional commitment. Why would Zhao Lusi specifically chose to make gift distribution a focal point of her airport arrival rather than simply greeting fans and moving through the terminal efficiently as would be typical for celebrity returns from international travel? And what does this decision reveal about her values and her relationship with her fanbase? According to various fan accounts and reports from observers present at the airport, Zhao Lusi apparently made a spontaneous decision to distribute the gifts after seeing the large welcoming crowd and after being reminded of how much her fans had supported her through her Paris journey by tracking her progress and expressing excitement about her international performance opportunity. The specific choice to turn what could have been quick wave and thank you into extended interactive moment where she personally handed gifts to numerous fans demonstrates her understanding that fan appreciation cannot be expressed through generic social media posts or brief professional acknowledgements but requires genuine personal investment and time that communicates she views her supporters as individuals worthy of genuine attention rather than as faceless mass to be managed. The decision to bring physical gifts rather than just offering verbal gratitude suggests she had planned ahead with the assumption that proper appreciation of her fans would be important enough to warrant advance preparation and effort regardless of other constraints or complications. The detail that has fans absolutely sobbing and expressing that this moment restored their faith in celebrity-fan relationships is that multiple witnesses report Zhao Lusi's visible emotion during the gift distribution, with observations that she appeared genuinely moved by the fans' support and by their decision to welcome her home, suggesting she was not just performing fan service but was authentically touched by their dedication and by the opportunity to express gratitude through the tangible gesture of giving gifts rather than through words alone. The specific reports of tears visible on Zhao Lusi's face as she distributed gifts and spoke with individual fans, combined with Liu Yuning's supportive presence and apparent emotion as he watched her interact with supporters, created atmosphere of genuine mutual appreciation and connection that transcended the typical transactional nature of celebrity fan interactions to become authentic human moment of real people expressing care and gratitude for each other. The fact that both performers invested time in the airport moment despite their obvious exhaustion from international travel and filming responsibilities demonstrates how much they value their fans and how much they understand that such genuine personal interactions form the foundation of their success and sustained career longevity. The Shanghai International Airport arrival area where this emotional gift distribution occurred was apparently crowded with several hundred fans who had apparently coordinated through fan clubs and social media to learn about Liu Yuning and Zhao Lusi's expected arrival time and who had gathered specifically to welcome them home and to express excitement about their international performance opportunity and their return to China. The presence of such substantial welcoming crowd despite the late arrival time and the general challenges of airport gathering demonstrates extraordinary dedication from the fanbase and creates environment where celebrities' decisions about how to respond to such support become particularly significant in terms of how much they value and respect those who support them. The specific gifts that Chow Lucy distributed to fans have been distributed by recipients in various fan accounts as being thoughtfully selected items rather than generic promotional merchandise, with reports including references to beauty products, fashion accessories, small decorative items, and apparently some personalized elements that made each gift feel special and individual rather than mass-produced identical items. The apparent investment in selecting meaningful gifts rather than just using whatever was convenient suggests either that Chow Lucy personally selected items knowing what fans typically appreciate or that she worked with her team to curate gift selections that would feel special and genuinely appreciated by recipients rather than just being corporate swag that fans would accept politely, but not reassure. Liu Yuning's response to Chow Lucy's impromptu gift distribution was reportedly supportive and touched, with him apparently assisting in distributing some of the gifts, engaging with fans alongside her, and generally supporting her decision to extend the airport moment into something more meaningful and interactive than typical quick terminal transit. His participation in the gift distribution alongside her rather than departing separately or maintaining distance demonstrated their mutual commitment to fan appreciation and their willingness to jointly invest time and energy in expressing gratitude to supporters who had made their careers possible. The specific duration of the gift distribution and fan interaction apparently extended to nearly an hour, with both performers investing substantially more time in airport acknowledgement than would be typical or expected, demonstrating that the moment felt important enough to both warrant delaying their departure through the terminal and potentially missing more convenient connection points or creating slick delays in their actual travel logistics. The willingness to sacrifice personal convenience and efficiency in service of fan appreciation demonstrates values that prioritize relationship and human connection over logistical optimization and professional convenience. The fan reactions to receiving gifts from Chow Lucy and to having personal interaction with both performers during the airport arrival apparently ranged from overwhelming joy to visible tears, with multiple reports of fans being so moved by the gesture that they struggled to articulate their emotions and gratitude in the moment. The raw authentic emotion visible in many fans' faces as they received gifts and spoke briefly with the performers created powerful image of genuine human connection and mutual appreciation that stood in sharp contrast to more typical celebrity interactions where barriers and professional distance are maintained regardless of context or setting. The social media documentation of Chow Lucy's gift distribution has been extensive and immediately widespread, with fans who received gifts posting photos and descriptions of their items, expressions of overwhelming gratitude, and declarations that this moment had become one of the most meaningful experiences of their fandom. The specific descriptions of what gifts were received, how Chow Lucy interacted with individual fans, and the visible emotion from both performers have generated continued engagement and discussion long after the actual airport moment occurred, with the memory of the moment continuing to resonate and be celebrated across fan communities. The airport security and staff as management of the large fan gathering and the extended gift distribution apparently involved careful coordination to maintain necessary safety and flow while also allowing the meaningful fan interaction to occur, with authorities apparently recognizing that this was a full meaningful moment rather than disruptive behavior requiring intervention or crowd dispersal. The balance between facilitating the moment and maintaining airport operations apparently worked reasonably well given the size of the crowd and the extended duration of the interaction.